Yay! So, finally on the beach at Jomtien. If that's how you say it. Probably I'm saying it wrong. Jomtien. Wow. Lovely. Looks a bit overcast. Looks like it might even be raining over there. Wow. Okay. I'm sure this is not the best part. So, and since I've never been here before, this is where you need someone that knows the area, so you know where to go, which is the best place. Wow, so many large buildings. So that's the Grand Jomtien Palace. Just there, that's our hotel. Oh, like so many skyscrapers. Looks a bit like London or somewhere like that. Like Canary Wharf type of place. Okay, it doesn't look so good over there, weather-wise. So I don't know if it's raining over there. So the weather hasn't been too good or too kind to us, but hopefully that's going to change today. I'm hoping, because it's nice and sunny at the moment. Let's hope it stays like that way, and then I can have a look around Jomtien and see what it's like. Maybe tomorrow I'll go to Pattaya. Great stuff. So, see you in a minute. Hello. So, just before I come up this soy, we've got Cafe Sunshine on one side, and then we got the Golden Sand restaurant. So let's have a look. Looks like to be some bars over here, some restaurants, tattoos. We've got the 54 bar. Of course, some of these are not open yet because it's still morning time. Got Danish Thai breakfast buffet over there. Oh, there's a lot of bikes there. Big Mama's bar. Bry. Guess that? What? Ready up? Breezy food and drinks. I just realised I can't read some of these bars. Men's place. Rainbow coffee and drinks. Massage. Sweaty cup. Oh. JM bar. Oh, that looks quite nice down there. What's that? Condos? Show you all facing that way, and the beach is that way. Maybe it's not even open. Not a lot of cars there. Okay, Patricia Residence, Jomtien Beach. Rooms for rent. Okay. So these soys are quite small. Just off the beach. They're probably all just off the beach actually. What's that? Lips Lounge? Gentlemen's Club? Okay. Looks like they might do a nice latte in there, but I just had one. So maybe another time. The Palm Delight Lodge. Room for rent. Looks quite nice. Nice one. Okay, let's continue. So it's pretty much the same along the beaches. You've got the deck chairs, and then you've got different places, cafes, sevens, restaurants on the other side. Seem to be that much different since I've been walking down here for about 10 minutes or so. It's pretty much the same. I'm hoping there's going to be something different. Okay, Cafe Amazon. So the journey continues. See you in a minute. Okay, it looks a bit more built up here. The restaurants in different places are a bit more compact. Massage parlours. So we've got little soys that have got massage parlours and bars down them. That seems to be pretty normal. That one looks a bit more popular. So yeah. So pretty much the same. Beach. Nice beach. Nice view of the sea. And then just businesses on the other side. And some really big condos and hotels along the way. Plenty of places to stay. Plenty of guest houses. Plenty of food, eateries, markets. So well, try and go to the night market. So I've got a bit of a packed day today because I'm going to try and go to different places. I'm also going to pop down to Pattaya, which I wasn't planning on doing, but I can't film the same thing here all day long because you'll be absolutely bored to tears. So I have to change the location until I get sunset. So wow, I can't get over these massive buildings over here. I don't know if you can see, but they are really, really big. Some of them are really so tall. You think, how did they get planning permission? Some of them are just so big. But other places have got restrictions, but maybe not here. Wow. No shortage of accommodation in Jomtien. I think I said it right this time. Okay. So pretty much the same. Sand, sea, and what's the other word they say? I'm not sure about that one. Sand, sea, and okay, I think that's a nightlife here. Yeah, lovely. So you want to sit on the beach. Beautiful. I'm sure the sunset is absolutely fantastic. Look at all these palm trees and that. In fact, I sort of like missed them, but there's a whole row of palm trees. just all the way down. So nice. Okay, so unless I come across anything else, which I think I have, I've just seen the sign for Jomtien, so I've got to get a shot of that. And then I'll keep walking for a little while and see if there's anything that pops out, anything beautiful to see. So cute. I think you're enjoying that. Oh, big squirrels. Oh gosh, they're everywhere. That one even does somersaults. Wow, they do like those grips. Amazing. That's not something that you see every day. Jomtien Pattaya Beach. Lovely. Beautiful. So apparently the mark bus is only 10 baht. So 10 baht gets you from Jomtien to Pattaya. So I thought the short distance would be 10 baht and then possibly a lot more expensive per drop. But no, it's 10 baht. No matter where you go. From Jomtien to Pattaya, 10 baht. Wow. Fantastic. How much value is that? Brilliant. So I don't even know why I should take my car if it's only 10 baht. Wow. Cop and cab, thank you. Okay. Well worth the trip, my god. Okay, so it's time to get some tea bags for the room. Oh, okay, the market's here. Lovely. And the hotel is just there. Great stuff. Oh, I can get to like here even more. Especially if it's only 10 baht.